Hello and welcome back. We have seen that we've had the second Axminster saw in. It only ran for 20 or 30 minutes before failing miserably again. Thermal cutout hit. It runs for about an hour and a half with no load before we hit the thermal cutout, so it's clearly not a trade rated saw. They're rated for 1,000 hours a year, 4 hours a day. It's not even making an hour and a half without any wood being put through it, so it's not going to happen. So for similar price on eBay yesterday, I found this. Okay, I've got the saw here as we got it from eBay. It was meant to come with a 4-meter extension on it, but clearly it did not. So I've already checked that with the multimeter. That's the earth line. The green is definitely connected to the top of the table. So that's our earth. Neutral isn't connected because it's a motor, star delta motor. I've got these red and black wires coming through, which I have no idea what they're for. And it looks like, being a 30-year-old machine, it's on the old, I looked up wire colors, and we've got nicely, they match up color-wise, so I might have some chance of getting my motor spinning in the correct direction. I've also pulled off the front panel here, trying to figure out where this red and black cable go to. There's a red cable, which has got electrical tape on it, which looks, relatively new, as well as a black cable which is looped back on itself, so it's not really going anywhere. I have no understanding of what these are for, so I'm probably just going to have to terminate these and see if the saw works. A brand new Swedex saw blade for it, 400mm. Ripping blade is only, I think, 32 teeth. So very aggressive. But I want to rip through material like nobody's business with this thing. So this is the beast of a blade, which I picked up from Norfolk Saw Services today. So we did actually get it running and spinning previously, but found that the wiring inside the machine or somewhere is incorrect, because it might have been the power here, but the phase colors were all wrong. So just had to switch 2 wires and we had it running the correct way. Now that is a blade and a half. Compared to the 315mm blades I was running before, that is beastly. That's not spinning terribly well. I suspect that's not really a 30mm bore, perhaps. Every damn time. Can you please get it out of the dust collection chute? Oh yeah, look at that. Huge amount of slop there. That's 30. Bang on 30. 31.75. Damn it. Well, that's about all we're going to get finished up today. So tomorrow I'm going to look at getting all of these bits of fence and slider and everything assembled, clean up the machine a bit, get the top polished up, get everything greased and lubricated. So if you'd like to subscribe so you can get a notification of when that goes up, we'd love to have you along for the journey. Make sure you click the bell for notifications. If you've got any suggestions of what we can do with this machine, it's going to be somewhat of a project, I imagine. I'll get all the electronics modernized and such, put a direct online starter and such on there. Leave a comment down below. Would love to hear your thoughts. And thank you very much for watching.